Hello, I'm Dr. Edward Kondrot, a board-certified ophthalmologist and a homeopathic doctor. I am the Senior Ophthalmic Consultant of the Mercy Ships. This is the largest non-governmental hospital ship in the world, and we are restoring vision to the blind worldwide. Eyesight is a precious gift, and my goal is to improve the quality of vision in the U.S. and throughout the world. Please join my Restore Vision program. Are you suffering from a chronic vision problem? Are you dissatisfied with your current eye care? Do you want to avoid surgery or reduce the need for toxic eye drops? Are you interested in safe, proven alternative treatments? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are the right candidate for this program. I want you to listen to a few patients who have gone through the program. They might have eye problems just like you.
Hi, my name's Rhonda, and I am from Mississippi. I have cataracts on both eyes. One eye's the worst, and I've had remarkable improvement in 3 days. It's amazing. I told you so, Mississippi. I told you so. Anybody that has eye problems, please don't let them cut on your eyes. Come to see Dr. Kondrot. There's no need for injections in your eyes. There's a way to do it, God's way. Come here.
Hi there. My name is Alice Wells. I am from Phoenix, Arizona. And this is my first trip to the Wellness Center Healing Your Eye with Dr. Kondrot. And it has been an amazing experience. I did see Dr. Kondrot before he left Arizona, but this has been a number of years ago. And I had immediate change in my vision after seeing him. I knew I needed to see him again just for another re-evaluation, and I'm so glad I came because my vision in the past year has been getting worse. Being here has given me new hope that my vision will continue to improve. What I really love about being here is that I have received personalized attention, not only from Dr. Kondrot, but from all of the staff. The medications I've been given, the homeopathic remedies, are all personalized for me and what I am personally needing at this time. And what I really love is that there's going to be continuous follow-up for the next 12 months. So for me, this is not a cost. This is an investment in my health and in my future.
I'm Dr. Carol Benoit, neurologist, and I have just seen Dr. Edward Kondrot for the first time for devastating eye problems that have really put me under for the last month, especially. Rapidly worsening eye inflammation and tearing. My basic problem is glaucoma due to autoimmune eye disease called uveitis. And in the hands of 4 conventional ophthalmologists, of course, nothing gets better. I just add eye drops, which I'm rabidly allergic to at this point, and eye visits and costs. And he has significantly reduced the size of a blind spot in my left eye. I am just so thrilled about that. He's improved my visual acuity significantly, 3 lines on the eye chart. My contrast sensitivity is markedly improved. And my comfort level is markedly improved. Every treatment seems to bring greater improvement for me. I've been most impressed with the reduction in my allergic symptoms with the cold laser, but everything helps. I love the microcurrent machine. It gets me more relaxed than anything that I have gone through. But basically to see the improvement that I have just learned about today after this, my 3rd day of treatment, is astonishing, with hope for further improvement in the future. God bless him. Thank God for bringing me here. Thank you.
Imagine what it would be like to restore your lost vision and regain your precious sight. I want to work with you to your good health and clear vision.